Hi, Junkin buddies. Have you clicked the link below yet and subscribed to the channel? If not, you're going to want to do it. We are going to be testing out some glazes today. Okay, so I had been talking to Donna, who watches my videos, and her Facebook page is Distressed Donna Down Home, and I'm going to put a link to her Facebook page down in the description so you can take a look at that, about glazing techniques. So I don't glaze furniture. I've never glazed anything before. This is a completely new thing for me. And I was at a store near my house recently, and they had these wonderful Wise Owl Glazes. So this one is patina, which looks like the patina that you get on top of a copper. This is copper, metallic. And then I got Dark Star sample, which is like navy blue. And I'm kind of excited to try them. Like I said, I've never glazed anything before. Now, Donna did give me, why do I keep wanting to say Debbie? If I say Debbie, I'm really sorry. Donna gave me some great advice, and she said to make sure that the piece is really well sealed, and then, you know, give it a go. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get after it. I'm gonna have to get down here. I'll show you the piece I've got. Okay. I'm on the floor. I'm just gonna do it now. This, I've been shaking this for about 10 minutes and prepping for the fact that I was nervous, and I just sat there and kept shaking it. So, you know, anything to delay, but I'm going to, I've got plastic down. So dramatic. No, I didn't wet my brush. I didn't do anything. I'm just gonna dip my brush into the, I just have it on the lid right here. It's so pretty. The color is so pretty. Hang on. That blue is just really super pretty. And I think what I'm gonna do is start up here, brush it on. I think the problem is I don't really have a vision for this. Why does that not even look blue? Hang on. It's not blue. It looks very gray. I'm gonna get some water on this. I have water too. I always have water. I think I'm gonna want to pull a little more off of here. I don't even know if this will work. I'm assuming it will, because it's like, it's paint, man. It's paint. It's a glaze, but it's a paint. Yeah. So where I don't want it to be super dark, just take a little water and I'm rubbing it back. I don't know if all glazes are the same. Like I said, this is, oh, Victoria keeps telling me I have to tell you guys that I'm not sponsored by this product at all. Wise Owl, as you could tell, if I was sponsored, I'd know their name. So I am not sponsored by the product. I'm just trying it out. It was at a store near my house, and I got a little squirrely. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So now I kind of have glazed my own furniture by taking clear coat and using chalk paint to color the clear coat. I'm just gonna keep trying this here, which kind of gives me this same effect, but then I don't know why I went, oh, I have to have a real glaze, because this seems to be working about the same as that. I mean, it's pretty, it's a prettier sheen. Obviously the color in the pot looks like midnight blue. But on here, it just looks gray and black. You see? I'll get you up close and personal. Well, maybe it looks navy. Okay, Don, don't have a stroke. This is the non-sealed side. This is unsealed chalk paint. I want to try it on the unsealed. So Donna, I know you told me to seal it. Make sure it's sealed really good. I want to see what happens. I just want to see. I want to try it. Just let me try it. Gosh. Yeah, I see what she was saying. You see it? Oh, it's not pretty. That's just not pretty at all. That's much better. You can see where it didn't leave like that line. So look up here where I did the same sort of process. And if you look at this one, do you see where the line is? So that's why Donna was telling us all to use the make sure it's well sealed. Now I get it. See, I wanted to see what it would do though. So I purposely didn't seal this side, but I'm going to have to repaint one whole side of this thing. But I may end up repainting the whole thing actually, because I don't think I like the glaze at all. It just looks dirty. See, it just looks dirty. And I don't know if it's because the base coat is so white, or maybe if I just keep going. Sometimes, you know what, it's just keep going. Never judge the art before it's finished, kind of. I really want it to just be bluer. It really doesn't look blue at all. And under this lighting, it should be like as bright a blue as a bright a blue. I mean, it should pop under this light. And it really doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about other colors. I'm thinking maybe it's the color. Okay, so now all of you who are very experienced with glazes are going to have to tell me, is it just this glaze that looks like this? Or are they all kind of the same? This looks dirty. What am I missing? Okay, hang on. You know what? Let's just finish it. Let's finish. Okay, so I went ahead and blended out. This was the unsealed side. And I went ahead and just took the Marble White, yeah, Marble Island from Bungalow 47 and blended it out. So where it was, top's wet. Ooh. So where it was a line down here, I just did to put the white on. I can talk. I just put the white on the brush and then went in and blended it out. So I just give it a brush like this to get rid of that sharp line that was here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to clear coat this, and then what I'm going to glaze the whole rest of the piece. So if you accidentally hit something with it that is not sealed, this will, at least you can blend it out. Just take the original base color and blend it out and get rid of those harsh lines, so you don't have to repaint the whole thing. Kind of lazy. There's a lazy tip for you. A lazy painter tip for you. Okay. I hate it. And I don't mean I don't care for it. I mean, I hate it. And to be fair to the product and glazes in general, I'm going to take this piece, which has been down here painted like this for about a year. I sealed it, painted it in the duck egg blue, and then just never got around to finishing it. I was going to distress it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the copper and put it on this, just to be sure that what I'm, make sure that what I'm reacting to is the product itself and the way it looks, and not the drastic color differences. So, I mean, it could be that I don't like this dark with this light, and that could be what's really, like, I am being triggered by this, y'all. I don't like this at all. Like, I'm like, I hate it. So I'm going to take the copper and I'm going to put it on here, which is a duck egg blue. As you can see in the light, it's a duck egg blue with the copper patina, and then I'm going to wipe it down just to give it a fair shake, because I can't say that I hate it based on the fact that I don't like the dark and the light together. So let's give this a try and see if it works. So I'm going to put you on time lapse because I'm just going to do it. I'm not a fan. It just looks dirty to me. I don't like it at all. Oh, I'm just looking at this and realizing I'm gonna have to repaint both pieces because I don't like it at all. And I know somebody who's watching this is going to be offended by that. Sorry about that, because I know I get really strong opinions too, and for me this is a nope, not ever gonna do this again. And I don't know, to me it seems really putsy. Now if you're a furniture glazer and you do this all the time and you like this technique, can you please comment down below? And I'm not trying to be sarcastic, I'm really trying to understand genuinely why. Because I think it looks muddy and dirty when it's done. I don't like the look. And it's really putsy. Like, you have to work super quick and in small areas. But then as you wipe it off in a small area, you put another layer on, and then it looks choppy. I mean, doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good. And maybe you're going to say, because you did it all wrong. And that's pretty valid. I mean, I could have done it all wrong, but after I was sat with this for a little bit, I came back down here to finish up with my thoughts, because I went online, I went on Pinterest and kind of looked at what other people were saying about how to do this. How to do a glazing technique, and it looks like I did it the way you're supposed to do it. I mean, yeah, to be honest, when I started out, I had no idea if that was the way you were supposed to do it, but it looks like it was right. So I'm not sure what I could have done differently to get a better look, but it's definitely not the color differences that are triggering me. I mean, this piece, let me get this piece, just looks dirty. And the dark and the light really are bothering me on this one. I mean, I don't like that at all, like at all. And so that's why I did this one. I did this blue and copper, and I know that that's not the problem, because this is one of my favorite color combinations, where I usually base coat things in a metallic copper, and then I'll rub the duck egg away to get those two colors to come through. And I like those colors together, so that's not the problem on this. On this, it just looks dirty. I mean, the pieces that don't look choppy look dirty. So Donna, if you're watching, please let me know, like, why you said you were doing like 3 pieces of furniture this way. Is the glaze you use fussy? Is it just this glaze, this particular glaze, or is it something that's all glazes are like this? Now, I have done kind of a faux glazing thing where I have colored clear coat and then gone over a piece to get sort of a different tint to it. It didn't look like this though. And that, to be honest, I wasn't rubbing it away. You know, I was just literally doing like a sheer color over a color. And I didn't hate that. Like, this is really, I'm gonna have to repaint these. I don't even want to put them in the store like this. Maybe I should put them in the store and see what other people think, but I'm probably not going to, because seriously, it's really bothering me. Probably gonna put a coat of blue over it and maybe try and rub it back in spots just to get that blue copper combo thing. What have I done wrong? I mean, I'm always thinking it's me and not the product, so I'm willing to try another glaze product if you think maybe it is the product. But right now, I don't think I'm going to be adding this glaze to my arsenal of stuff that I'm going to use on a regular basis. Not for my furniture I plan to sell. I don't even want to play with this. It's just fussy. Like, you have to work so quickly and in such small areas that I don't even want to play with it. I'm not a fan. If there's a different product you guys want me to try, I'm more than happy to accommodate those requests. So, you know, you can go, hey, I think this glaze is better or whatever. Let me know. Or any other product that you'd like me to try on my dime and not yours. Like, I've been wondering about this and does it really work? Well, I'll try it. I like trying stuff. So I have no problem doing that. But, and if you do glaze furniture and you're thinking that maybe it's a technique thing, please comment down below. I'd love to learn more about what I could have done differently, because right now I'm like, I'm really not a fan. I'm not a fan. Nope. Like, I don't like it at all. So that's a problem for me. But thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the link below and click the bell icon to be notified. I have more tutorials, I think. More things to try out, possibly. This is really hurting my feelings, guys. like a lot. Like, just looking at this is like painful. Oh, just, oh, I don't want anybody to know I did that. Oh my goodness sake, stop. Okay, it's just... Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.